If you know anything about writing ebooks, then you know there are three major headaches in the process: writing, designing, and formatting. So today, with the help of my friend Adil, we're going to show you how to make stunning ebooks with ease in only a matter of minutes.
Hello and welcome to this review and demo video of this amazing software called Sqribble. I'm going to give you an in-depth review as well as to show you how to use the software, so some behind the scenes as well. But this is absolutely incredible, it's fantastic. You're actually going to love this software. Now what Sqribble allows you to do is create ebooks on demand. You'll instantly be able to create stunning ebooks in minutes without writing a single word. Okay, now it doesn't just create the front covers, the e-covers, it actually creates the entire ebook. We're actually talking about ebooks with content in minutes. Now ebooks is a broad term, and they're also known as all these other things like reports, guides, your cheat sheets, blueprints, white papers, lead magnets, PDFs, and so on and so on. Okay, so it's quite a broad term. So all of this you can actually create with Sqribble. Now there's amazing templates inside. I've got something on the screen there for you, but there's all different types of themes, feels, styles for any type of project. In fact, there are designs in there for all types of niches. So whatever your industry that you're in, there's going to be a template inside with lots of different designs for you. Now this is a massive feature of Sqribble. Sqribble will allow you to populate your entire ebook with automatic instant content. This is the big one. They've got an incredible content engine. With just a few clicks, it's going to fill out your entire ebook. Okay, so just keep watching to find out more about this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick demo and a feel behind the scenes of the Sqribble software. Okay, it's going to give you a demo now. These are some examples of the types of themes inside of Sqribble. Now they really are amazing in covering loads of different niches, lots of themes, lots of fields, and you get 6 pre-designed ebook pages with each set. There's lots of templates inside, and the good thing about Sqribble is that the ebooks it creates are readable on lots of different devices, and they've been specially optimized for mobile viewing as well. So whatever mobile devices, Android, you've got tablets, you've got iPhones, whatever the mobile devices, that these ebooks will be perfectly readable across all these different devices. And there's lots of different niches as well inside of the Sqribble software. Lots of categories you've got a design for every type of project really. Now the ebook studio inside this software has lots of options for you. You can view the covers, the table of contents, the content pages. The themes have actually been created by really professional designers. So what you would do is you would give your project a name first. Let's just say, my Twitter ebook. Click on next. You've got a lot of options. We can start from scratch, or we can do automatic creation. Let's just start from scratch first. It's got a powerful editor. You put in your title for your ebook, your content, whatever you want to call it. Put in your name. It's got one-click editing. Everything is really, really fast. They've got really dynamic widgets in here where you can customize any element. So let's say you put in your name, you can change the colors, you can manually update the table of contents, but it can automatically do it as well. So you've got dual functionality, you've got lots of flexibility and customization options. I'm going to show you the manual way first, where you update the table of contents so that your ebooks look really, really professional. Okay, I'm just going to change the number here. You can change the pages as well. Put in make money with Twitter. You can customize the headers and the footers. This is totally unique. Okay, there's nothing like this out there. You can update the footers as well. Now we're going to change the headline here. Let's call it "What is Twitter?" We can create the overview. You can add and customize any content. Really, literally, just format anything. This is just so powerful, so flexible. Change the colors, the fonts, highlight, change font sizes, styles. Okay, like this. We can make that white. We can change the footers as well, the page numbers. Okay, this really makes everything professional. and we go down, we can change the section for this, we can update our text, we can copy and paste different content in that we have from different sources. If you want, we can insert links. Put Ellen there, ellen.com, we're going to put that in there. We can delete rows, we can add rows, we can add icons, images. Let's just make this a 2-column. This is a 2-column section and style here. We're going to click on image. Let's add an image here of a Twitter bird. I'm just going to type in Twitter, click on services. There we go, that fits our little theme very well. You've got so many different stock integrations as well and free images. It's going to save you so much time and money. Increase the font a little bit, leave that line, maybe reduce the size. And what we can do, let's just change the color there to white so it makes it readable on the blue. Okay, go down. This is a summary page with every theme. We can also add links in here. Let's to our website where we've got another offer. Want someone to give them more information. We can add a button inside of our ebooks. This is really, really powerful. We want to get clicks to our site, get more traffic coming in, and this is the way you do it, by creating your ebooks and then having links inside your books, your ebooks, your reports. Insert the URL, and all you do is hit generate, and that's it. It just really takes you minutes, and you've got a professional, beautiful template. You can add as many pages as you want. Now we can also go the automated route where we click and grab content from any URL. So there's lots of options here. This is going to add content in automatically. So let's say we found a website or a blog or somewhere we want to take content from. Okay, just go ahead and copy the URL and check this out. I'm going to right click, I'm going to click on paste, I'm going to hit finish, and within just seconds it's going to automatically fill our ebook with content without writing anything. Then you would just update your title of your ebook, and the content is instantly loaded into your book. I'm just going to update the title here. Okay, and the author name, look, table of contents is automatic added. All the content has automatically been pulled in. Now I'm going to generate it, and there you go. It's just taken seconds, minutes even. Everything's been automatically generated. The page numbers, the content, the table of contents, the links, the images have been pulled in, and that's just so fast. It's so amazing. You can add unlimited pages to your ebooks. Okay, just click on plus icons, and it comes with a set of different designs. So let's just click on this theme here. Again, you can go in and customize anything that you want, the titles, the text, the images, the placements. Now check this content engine out. It's got 1,000 articles inside of this content engine. So let's just find something related. I'm going to give you an example here. Type in cooking, search all these articles in the engine that Sqribble has. You can view the article inside. Okay, that seems good. I'm going to add that in, add the article, and that's it. It's done. Bang! Look how quick and easy that was. Okay, you got one theme customization. You can change the look of your ebook with one click. Oh, this is just so powerful. Look at all the color palettes inside. Blues, you've got different styles. Stock images, you can search by keyword. Okay, let's type in money, and you've got all these images that you can use in one beautiful interface. Let's type in cat. Got lions, tigers there. Okay, let's have one more go. Let's type in dog, and you've got all the dog images as well. You can really type in anything that you want to find an image to insert in your book. You've got web icons. Okay, these web icons are worth lots and lots of money. Stunning background. You want to change your background in just one click? Check this out. Okay, I like that one. Let me insert that. How about this one? Perfect. Okay, I'm going to click on another one and scroll down a second and go with this one. That's a really nice style. I can change the whole ebook with just the background, make it instantly look like completely different. Here's the client dashboard so you can manage your clients. Let's say you're selling services to clients and making money. Let's just give you an example here. Enter in the name, email, contact number, price. This helps you track all your clients. Okay, so really great management dashboard. Manage your clients. You get instant feedback from your clients using this engine inside. So your client will just give you feedback on what they want changed from the actual design and the ebook that you create them. So they go in and just click over the top, and they can leave a comment for you in real time, so you can see the comments and update it. This is really a lifesaver, massive time saver. Okay, leave a comment, and you can see whatever they put in. You can actually also write down once you've done it and completed their updates. This speeds up communication just so fast, and they can add comments to any page that you create them. Okay, forget about emails back and forwards and Skype messages when they can just do it straight inside the instant client feedback tool. It's a really, really powerful feature. Now, with this amazing software that you've just seen, you can actually use it to make at least $1,000 a month, and that's really being conservative here, and I'm going to explain why. There are thousands of people out there looking for somebody to create their ebooks and the reports for them, really. So what you can do with Sqribble is sell ebooks, reports and guide creation services to clients. There are thousands of people out there looking for someone right now, believe me. You can work part-time in your spare hours, and nobody has to know that you can actually use Sqribble as your secret weapon to do this. With Sqribble, you're also going to get a commercial license as a bonus for free. Here are some screenshots that I found online. That's on the left-hand side. There's a screenshot from Upwork. You know, when I done a quick little search here, just on the keyword there, ebooks, I found 173 jobs that you can actually apply for. 173 jobs. There's loads of jobs always coming and going. So my verdict is I actually give Sqribble 4.7 out of 5. It's absolutely incredible. It's a great software. It's my #1 choice for ebook creation software. When you want to get ebooks done, reports done, white papers, all the rest of it, it's absolutely incredible. Now, there are additional power-ups available when you get Sqribble, and we know that by now. If you've seen a lot of launches happening, you know, there are always upgrades available after you actually make the purchase. Now, they're not necessary, but I highly recommend that you get these. I highly recommend it. Right now, they've got a limited time offer. So what you need to do straight away is go ahead and click on the link below or around the video somewhere, wherever the link is, to get Sqribble right now at the special discounted launch price. I know that it is going up shortly, and they will be moving to a recurring model, meaning they're looking to charge monthly for it. Okay, so before it goes and they start charging more money, whether it's going to be a one-off. I know this is worth at least $200 at least, and they're actually quite mad for not doing that. So go ahead, click on the link right now and go and grab your copy of Sqribble right now at the special discounted launch price. You're actually going to really, really love this.
So that's the walkthrough, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you would like to learn about next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.